Hi, welcome back. Let's talk a bit about the history of 3D printing and how it all started. In 1981, Hideo Kodama received the patent for the first functional 3D printer. A solid printed model was built up in layers, one after the other, depositing molten plastic one on top of the other. Sounds familiar? That's exactly how all our FDM printers work. 3 years later, in 1984, Charles Hull made 3D printing history by inventing stereolithography. Stereolithography, also known as stereolithography apparatus or SLA, or optical fabrication, photosolidification, or more commonly resin printing, uses a different kind of acrylic based material known as photopolymer and is capable to print an incredible quality and finish. The liquid photopolymer is exposed to UV laser beam. The light exposed portion will instantly turn into a solid piece of plastic, molded into the shape of your 3D design. In 1992, a startup, DTM, produced the world's first selective laser sintering machine, also known as SLS, which shoots a laser into a powder instead of a liquid. These are the major kinds of 3D printing solutions today that we'll discuss later in greater detail. By 2000s, 3D printing was widely used across industries. Medical industry bioprinted a functional miniature kidney, prosthetic arms, and even blood vessels. Aerospace industry found its applications in rapid prototyping. NASA was one of the major proponents of 3D printing, but still the 3D printing industry was very nascent, and a machine could run in tens of thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. This was when 3D printing met with the open source movement. In 2005, Dr. Adrian Boyer launched the RepRap project, which is an open source initiative to create 3D printer that could basically build itself, or at least print most of its own parts. In 2008 released, Darwin is a self-replicating printer that's able to just do that. You can find all the research, progress, and contributions at reprap.org. The printer that we will use today is similar to Prusa i3, a printer that originated from the RepRap project and underwent several iterations from its predecessor Prusa Mendel, was released in September 2010. Today you can 3D print in multicolor, print with any filament that you like, including carbon fiber, rubber, wood, or even metal. Companies are using 3D printing to make production grade items without having to spend in costly manufacturing processes like injection molding, especially if the production numbers are low and iterations or customization requirements are high. Today a 3D printer could cost as less as a few $100s and can be equipped in every home and can be used for day-to-day functional prototyping.